Delivery of division bench judgment, criminal appeal 21 of 23, Tadak Tok versus State of AP.
It is a settled principle of criminal law that suspicion, however grave, cannot take the place of proof. The benefit of every reasonable doubt must necessarily go in favor of the accused. In view of the foregoing discussion, this court is unable to sustain the conviction and sentence imposed upon the appellant. Accordingly, the appeal stands allowed. The judgment of conviction dated 29 so and so, and the order of sentence dated so and so passed by the Lana Session Judge Bomdila in session case number so and so are hereby set aside. The appellant is acquitted of all the charges leveled against him by giving him a benefit of doubt. The appellant shall be released forthwith if his detention is not required in connection with any other case. Before parting with the record, I must read this one also. This court deems it appropriate to observe that there have been serious lapses in the investigation. In particular, the failure to properly prove the recovery, the non-production of material exhibits, and the absence of scientific examination have materially weakened the prosecution case and ultimately resulted in the failure of the prosecution to establish the charges beyond reasonable doubt. In view of the above, the appeal stands disposed of. Interlocutory application also stands disposed of. Yes.
Wait. The item number 8 of the main list.
Yes.
This may be closed in terms of the judgment passed here. This is the advocate raised the point of juvenility, no longer necessary. Item number 8, this is the petitioner, the same appellant in which the judgment has been pronounced just now by the court.
Okay.
Here the point of juvenility was raised. It is no
So-
longer,
For the accused.
they may be closed matter in terms of the judgment passed.
Okay. In term, please, sir. 8. So there was a prayer that he was juvenile at the time of commission of offense. See, it's because of the fault of the police. See, even if we don't want also, but we are bound.
Yeah.
It's just like a plus
Yes,
minus.
yes. I have seen matter reports.
Mhm.
It's a both of investigation. What should be the notes?
In view of the judgment and heard Mr. Deepan, Land Senior Counsel, assisted by, okay, Land Counsel for the petitioner, also had Miss El Hage.
T. Genie name may be reflected. Lord.
Okay, TG, huh? Then additional PP for the state staff. In view of the judgment and order passed today in that, in that case, this criminal petition stands closed.
Closed.
Okay. Accordingly, the criminal petition stands disposed of. Okay.
May I, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23 with the consent of the other party. I'm appearing on behalf of M. Kato, standing counsel for the CBI, Lordship.
23.
Your Lordship, due to some personal difficulties, he is unable to appear today, therefore.
And, okay, you have informed the.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Miss
O. Jarang, Your Lordship.
Ojera, Land Council. submits that Mr. M. Kato, Lana Council, appearing on behalf of the respondent, has some personal difficulties today and therefore seek adjournment for the day. She has also obtained consent from the Lana Council for the petitioner. Staff, in view of the above, and as prayed for, come and list this matter after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
Lordship, item number 9, Lordship, I'd like to mention, and taking consent from the opposite party also.
9,
Yes, Lordship.
okay,
Lordship, may list after 3 weeks, Lordship.
after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
You're for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. G. Kato, Lana Council for the petitioner, with the consent of the Lana Council for the respondent. Prays for listing this matter after 3 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter, list this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, interim,
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Lordship.
Okay.
May I please, Lordship? I would like to mention one unlisted criminal petition. This matter is a fixed matter, was fixed for 27/5, but inadvertently it's written 27/6, Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Mayor, my lord, I beg to mention item number 22, my lord. On behalf of Mr. C. Modi, counsel for the petitioner, my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Then what about the respondent?
The respondent is,
Have you informed?
no, my lord, actually, PP, my lord.
Hmm?
PP, respondent.
Legal aid counsel is also there. You have any objection? Who is PP here? PP. Any objection? Okay, Mr.
NUB, my lord.
Lana Council made a mention on behalf of Mr. C. Modi. Where is he?
Sorry, my lord.
Where is C. Modi? He's not coming today.
Out of station, my lord.
Okay. That, seeking, adjournment of the matter on the ground that the conducting council, Mr. C. Modi, is out of the station. Staff, huh? Okay, Mr. Lori Lana PP has no objection. According to the prayer is allowed, list this matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, ma'am.
Okay.
Obliged.
Milord, I'm mentioning item number 13.
Item
13, 1-3. I may be allowed to withdraw this matter, Your Lordship.
you want to withdraw?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. What happened there?
Seems the matter has been resolved
Okay,
between the parties, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Appear on Your Lordship.
Lana Council for the petitioner submits as prays for submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this criminal reason petition. Staff, huh? The prayer is allowed. This criminal reason petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Okay.
And another matter, Your Lordship, item number 14. For all the respondents, we have filed an affidavit in opposition, and my prayer is, Your Lordship, the matter may be listed in the admission column, Your Lordship.
Who is for the petitioner? Have you informed?
I couldn't reach them, Your Lordship.
Okay. We'll see, just see. Just a minute, just a minute then, huh? Okay. Parties are present, affidavit in opposition. The respondent filed affidavit in opposition. Since the matters are ready, let this matter be listed for admission after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, oblige, Your Lordship.
3 weeks, 3 weeks or 2 weeks? 3 weeks.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 21 on behalf of Mr. S. Koyang,
Item,
number 21. Mr. S. Koyang is out of station. Counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2. So may this matter adjourn for 1 week.
whether the appellant is present. Who is the appellant?
I've taken the consent of
Okay, Mr.
M. Doliang.
Learning Council. Subministers, the conducting council for the respondent, Mr. S. Goya. Learning Council for the respondent, conducting council, Mr. S. Goya. Learning Council for the respondent is out of station, therefore pray for adjournment. He has also obtained, and 2 weeks, Mr. Lord, learned,
Paper book is not there, Lordship, not reflected in the course list, Lordship.
okay. It's with TCR, it says.
Yes, it's criminal appeal, Lordship.
Hmm. Trial court record whether it has come. Okay, then we'll, what? Paper book not yet prepared.
It's a paper book not prepared, Lordship. The list after the preparation of the Lordship.
Okay. Hmm. Had Mr.
M. Doliang.
Planning Council for the respondent. No, Mr. The lawyer, Planning Council, Lana PP for the state, and Mr. Andolia for the respondent. Staff. It is submitted that although the trial court record has been received, no, the paper book is yet to be prepared. Staff, in view of the above, the registry is directed to prepare paper book and list it after preparing paper book. Okay.
Much obliged.
With pleasure, Lordship,
Hmm.
I beg to state item number 22. I'm appearing on behalf of the Land Council, M. Bagra, for the LSC.
And Bagra, it has already been mentioned. Lordship.
Okay.
Hmm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12.
Yes.
Lordship, the leading council, the leading council is due to some unavoidable domestic.
Okay, who is leading counsel?
N. Pada, Nalopada.
Hmm?
N. Padas.
And Pada is for the appellant.
Yes.
Why it has been listed today?
Uh,
We'll see the order. Are you in urgent? If not urgent, be there. We'll grant adjournment,
Lordship,
but wait for some time.
Yes, Your Lordship, this matter may be listed on this Friday, that is 29.
Why? Why on Friday?
Because Your Lordship, this matter is fixing for today, but he is due to some issue. He couldn't come.
Paper book ready? Hmm? It's a paper book. Tell him that it is for hearing. Okay. Mr.
Jayagaon.
Land Council for. This is item
Item 12.
12. Nalopada has been appointed as legal aid counsel here. Hmm?
Yes, Lordship. By order dated 21/5/2025, Lordship.
He just privately engaged or legal aid counsel.
He appeared on behalf of convict Lordship. It appears he appeared on behalf of the Lordship, convict Lordship, not by the Lordship.
Why he has been written? Okay. Mr.
Jayagaon.
Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Pada, Land Council for the appellant. Also had Mr. Loy Lana PP for the state staffer. The paper book is ready, staffer. As the paper book is ready, let a copy of the same may be furnished to the same be furnished to the land council appearing on behalf of the parties. Staff, huh? List is matter.
On 29.
29, this 29, day after tomorrow.
Yes.
Day after tomorrow is not possible for hearing.
Yes.
We are going to fix it for hearing. There will be after 2 weeks. Okay? This is the matter.
Your lordship, kindly after 1 week.
After 1 week,
Yes.
you are in urgent.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay? Okay, at least the matter after a week for hearing, huh?
I beg to mention item number 24. I've taken consent from the parties.
Okay. Hearing. Okay, Mr. Koyu, land council for the petitioner with the consent of the land council appearing on behalf of the respondents, placed for adjournment of the matter for how much?
3 weeks.
After 3 weeks. For 3 weeks. Stop, the prayer is allowed. Please this matter after 3 weeks.
Also, there is interim.
Stop. Para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. I am for the petitioner. I have taken consent from the PP.
7.
Yes.
Okay,
Lordship, matter may be taken
Mr.
after
Mr.
three-
Iran, land council for the petitioner with the consent of the land council for the respondent, pray for adjournment of the matter for a week, 2 weeks,
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship,
Okay.
interim may be continued.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
With the Lordship.
My opinion.
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, Lordship.
15.
Yes.
What do you want?
Lordship, service completed. Service completed, matter may be fixed for admission.
Oh, you are for?
I am for the petitioner.
Why it has been mentioned here in that way? It will be fixed in its own time only. Wait for some time. Then everyone, I think, should stand in the row and only in the mention we can dispose of everything. Huh? Okay. Wait for some time, huh?
Item number 1.
My lord, head Gambura Rigo village, after issuing third Parwana, not making any initiation to conduct Kava. May I take your
What is your problem then?
Your Honor, I have made a complaint.
Hmm.
Parwana issued. Thereafter, the other party did not turn up. Then again, I made another complaint. Second Parwana issued, party didn't turn up. Third Parwana issued, party didn't turn up. The head Gambura, neither conducting Kava, nor taking any decision.
You ask him to conduct Kaba.
I have asked him. I have made another.
What is his reply? What was his reply?
He said the case is pending in the session court. However, in sessions court only with regard to the bank account of my late father is pending. However, there are other properties, immovable, movable, which has to be decided between me and my two stepmothers. I have even made a complaint to the deputy commissioner. However,
The division of property. Property division.
Yes, my lord.
He is the
My lord, may kindly come to page 67.
the proper
He is the
forum?
head Gambura
Hmm?
of Rigo village.
Is the head Gambra proper forum?
Yes, my lord, to divide ancestral property. My
Where-
father
where-
demise, I am the son of the first wife.
Your father died intestate? Oh, no, just without leaving any will,
Yes,
no will.
no will, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to page 67, the last Parwana.
What is that?
It's the last Parwana, third Parwana,
Case
67. It's a translated copy. To Srimati so-and-so, Sri Jomba Ado, son of late Karyam Ado, Rigo Village, POPS Alo had submitted complaint dated 22/7/2025 and 12/9/2025 before me. Taking cognizance of the same, a cover was fixed on 28/9/2025, first cover, and dated 23/11/2025, second cover. However, You did not turn up. As such, for the third time, this parwana is being issued fixing the kava on 27/12 to 10/25. If you fail to attend this kava, as per section 44, clause 4 of the AFR,
What it says,
ex parte decision will be fast. This
Hmm?
provision for ex parte decision.
provision for ex parte decision.
Yes. 44, section 44, sub clause 4. 27, they didn't, neither they conducted kava. Thereafter, no initiation has been made by the head Gaumura. My prayer is for a simple direction to conduct kava and take decision as per law.
What the law says,
Section 44, my lord, 1, all suits tried by the village.
just a minute. Pointed tray. What is it? Pointed tray? Page number?
AFR page number
Yeah,
59, volume 1.
Just a minute. Why? Some frontier only.
Volume 1,
It only start only after 50 only. Or some frontier administration after 50 only. Page, sorry, section 40,
Section 44,
44.
subclause 1 is all suits tried by the village authority shall be decided on open there one person so and so, so and so.
Hmm.
The relevant is section subsection 4, inserted by 23rd amendment.
Hmm.
I mean, in the year 2023. The village authority or the inter-village territorial council or FX council, as the case may be, may pronounce or take ex parte decision if one of the disputing party does not turn up or remain absent willfully for 3 consecutive times after giving not less than 30 days on each occasion of reasonable opportunity of being heard. It's the third time kava parwana is
The
issued.
village authority or the inter-village territorial council or apex council, as the case may be, may pronounce ex parte decision.
After fixing the kava for third time, the head Gavura neither take any initiation to conduct kava, thereby depriving my right to speedy trial. My prayer is, my lord, simple that.
Here is a case where the trial or the proceeding is not even initiated, not yet. Only you have lodged complaint. On the basis of the
Parwana-
complaint, it can be disposed of.
My lord, yes, of course, the kava can dispose of the matter since they have the power, unlimited power in the.
How do we know that the respondent has received the parwana?
They have even replied to the parwanas, first and second parwanas, saying that the case is pending. However, there is 2 cases pending, one succession, that is for 2 bank account, one LA application for land allotted land. However, there is a other property, landed property, movable property, so which need to be decided. I consider that those pending in the courts, they may be skipped in the meeting, but other properties are there.
Oh, no problem.
If my lord comes to annexure 1 and 2, it's the succession notice and LA notice. Here the property is described, only bank account at phase number 17 and 19. 17 is succession notice. I'm not concerned with this.
And your concern is, your
For
complaint,
other properties.
your complaint is with regard to
Other properties like
other property.
Zoom Land, Maruti car, Eco Ben, ice cream factory. Those are not pending before any court.
Let us see your complaint.
My complaint is at my lord phase number 46 to 48.
Let us see the relevant portion, the property. No more Hilo. This is in
48 is translated copy, my lord.
See, you have to mention the proper. You have to mention the property.
My lord, it is mentioned in
Name
my,
of the property.
yes,
which-
my lord, it's
because-
mentioned in
because-
my
Because
next complaint.
see, the Gambura, head Gambura, whosoever may be, they knows that the case is pending, and then they have been informed by the respondent that the case is pending.
Yes,
So unless you mention that this is not connected with the case pending before the session court, and this is different from, not the property which is pending before the session court. Mention the property which has been filed before pending before the session court,
it's my,
and then also mention the property which you would like to be adjudicated by this
my lord.
local. Then how would they know?
My lord, after first Parwana, they submitted a representation. After considering that, all again Parwana issued. Thereafter again they submitted the
No,
same
no.
representation.
Head
Garib already-
Your
my lord.
complaint
My lord,
is vague.
if my lord come
And
to
then
page
if there,
number
see,
60,
in the similar nature of case, if it is pending before the session court, how dare this Gambura would
my
take
lord,
up
may
the matter?
kindly come to page 60. I have specifically mentioned in my second complaint,
Page 60.
page 60. It's a translated copy.
Hmm.
Prayer for conduct of Kaba. My mother, Semiti so and so are refusing to give me any properties left behind by my father, so and so. As such, for the third time, I am submitting this application with request to conduct Kaba in this regard. My claims, I should get one from 2 RCC building. There should also be my share in ice cream factory. I wish to know how much amount.
See, this is also not clear. So you have to clearly state that because the Gambura now knows that cases are pending before the session court for adjudication regarding the property. Now he does not know. He do not know what property is in dispute before the session court. Now you have to clarify.
My lord,
So-
since they are villagers, illiterate, they couldn't.
That is why I'm
That is,
saying.
that is why, my lord, they have verbally talked, verbally explained. That's why the second Parwana, third
We do
Parwana
not,
has been
we do not know, but then you are a learned person. You could have clearly mentioned in your application,
My application I have mentioned
where
at paragraph.
where you have mentioned that the case pending before the session court is with regard to this property.
Now, in,
And the case, what I am filing before the Gambura is this property, which is not connected with the pending case. You have to
my lord,
clarify.
in my petition, I have mentioned
Where?
at paragraph, my lord, at paragraph,
Petition before the Gambura, huh?
no, before here.
No, not.
Before
not
Gambura, they are,
No, no, no.
my lord, they are villagers. They don't know how to even write application. They just write.
No, no.
We
Yeah,
cannot expect
You
them
have
to.
taken, you have taken up, then when you entered, you should have instruct them. So
My lord,
these, because the Gambura, when they knows that there is the case with regards to the property dispute of the children of the deceased are pending, and then under such circumstances, the GB will never take up the matter because the court is higher, and the case is, if the case is pending, we will be, see, so there's some order, the adverse to them may also pass the court. Okay, in that case, they may face consequences. In that case, they will not take up the matter.
No, my lord,
You have to clarify first.
my lord, from the notice itself, succession notice and LA notice itself, it is clear that only 3 properties are pending. So other properties, they may conduct Kaba. A simple direction,
No, no,
keeping these,
no, unless you clarify. Cases are pending, 2 cases are pending before the session
Yes.
court. You have to clarify
that,
that
my
it
lord,
is
that
not
they
connected
know.
with.
My lord, because they
How do
know
we,
that,
how do we, how do this court know that they knows?
because the representation is already there,
Yeah.
requesting them to
Then,
cancel the Kaba.
Then we say that you know that there is a difficulties for them. You don't understand them.
My lord,
Mm.
actually, they have submitted a representation
Mhm,
before the
yeah.
head Gambura, saying that
No, where is the law? Show me the law where the Gambura can be compelled to take up the matter immediately.
my lord, they are failed to exercise the power vested upon them. My lord, I have a case. I have a,
Within what,
have
within what period of time they should start? Because they started issuing notice means they have started.
yes, my lord,
They have started issuing parwana.
yes. They should
Then
keep per one.
you wait for next date.
My lord, they have already, third
When
Parwana
last
already issued.
parwana was issued?
3 Parwana has already
No,
been issued.
last parwana where?
It's
when?
in November. fixing the
November.
meeting, fixing the cover on December 27.
So thereafter, have you made an application that
Yes, my lord.
fixed? Where,
Thereafter also I have.
where
made
is the
application.
last application?
Last application is,
So show me the last Parvana.
last Parwana is, my lord, at page number, my lord, 65 to 68. It's the last Parwana. 65 to 68. 68 is the translated copy.
Okay, and where is your application thereafter?
Last
This
application.
is 1912. December, okay.
Last application is at March 6.
Let us see.
It's at page number 71 to 73. 73 is the translated copy. Prayer for issue of Parwana. For the fourth time, I'm submitting this application for issue of Parwana. There is no new matter. My both mothers, without distributing the properties, have kept all the properties in their hand. They are not also attending the Kava. If they have any claims and objection and any document to show, they should bring them before the Kava and let the Kava member decide the matter. For the fourth time, I'm submitting this application with a request to conduct Kava to resolve the problem.
Whether this mother who is not giving property is your mother?
My stepmother.
Both.
My late father has 3 wives.
Huh.
I'm from first wife. They are.
You are the abandoned son then? You must be naughty boy.
No, my lord.
Hmm.
They are my stepmother. My father has 3 wives. I am from first wife. They are second and third wife. Since my mother, they
Are
married.
you the only son of the first wife?
No, I have 3 sisters and 1 brother.
Okay, are they also the appellant?
Yes.
Sorry,
No,
the
only
applicant?
only me and my brother. Since my sisters are not interested in any property, so I and my brother is coming.
Hmm. Okay, Mr. Mr.
M.
Kato, M. Kato, Land Council for the.
My lord, M. Atta.
Hmm?
M.
Oh,
Atta.
sorry, M. Your name is not, okay, M. Sorry. Land Council for the petitioner. State is also party?
Yes, deputy commissioner.
Deputy Commissioner?
Yes. I have even made a complaint to the deputy.
Why Deputy Commissioner?
Yes,
My lord, he has supervisory authority over the Gaumburas.
Okay, now,
In terms of,
he is headmaster.
in terms of,
And then your complaint is with the student.
my lord, I have,
Why should you implead headmaster?
because my lord, I have also made complaint to deputy commissioner to direct them to.
And I think the GB is also there.
Yes,
Why?
because it's head Gambura, they are,
They are judge.
yes, they are judge. And they are supposed to exercise the
You
power
are
conferred by
aggravating the
act.
GB. Who would be your judge?
My prayer is just to direct.
What is the prayer against the GB and DC?
Nothing, my lord, just to conduct Kava and take decision as per law.
Oh,
Nothing.
see, this is, you should know whom to implead. And then there is a seeking direction to pay cost of rupees 50,000 for forcing that
Yes, my lord.
and compelling. I don't think this is a proper prayer against the GB.
My lord, only because of his non-exercise of the statutory jurisdiction, I am compelled to.
You are
come
threatening
before-
them. You are threatening them that you can file. When it is in the High Court, you should. If you don't decide, we will go to High Court by spending money, which you will not be able, and you will not be able to spend.
No,
You are showing your power, it appears.
no, my lord. In fact, my lord, I have approached him to conduct Kava in as per law. He is not initiating. Therefore, I am compelled to come.
On what basis?
Litigation, my lord, is.
On what basis you have made this prayer?
Because, my lord, I have litigation expenses.
Okay.
If he had conducted the Kava, I would not have come before my lord.
Okay, I don't understand this logic by the,
My lord, they have a statutory duty. In terms of A per section 44.
This seems illogical logic.
My lord, granting prayer is, my lord, it's up to my lord's wisdom, but it's my prayer. Since they are not exercising the jurisdiction and power conferred by the act, A per regulation,
See, I don't know
I'm compelled to come before
whether we should accept such petition. Why don't we limit ourselves to the to only to the legally entitled to us. Why we always try to treat others with this way, that way?
No, no, my lord, I have never
Mm.
served any notices or letter saying that I will
No,
pray
see,
ghost. This is just a prayer. And if deemed proper, my lord may consider. If not proper, my lord may reject.
no, I think you have to withdraw this petitioner number Gamburas and DC also. DC, whether is the DC has a power? Show
Yes,
me-
my lord,
show
DC
me
has
which-
power.
Where it
Section
says?
10 and section 4 of,
Where it says? What it says?
my lord, may kindly come to section 18 of, section 4 of APR. Amended 2023.
Mhm. Section 4,
Section 4,
AFR.
2023, yes.
okay.
2023, my lord.
Hmm?
Section 4 has been amended by 2023.
Is this amended one? Section 4,
My lord.
yes.
In principal regulation for existing entries, the following entries shall be substituted. Subject to the provision of the regulation, the assistant commissioner or the deputy commissioner, as the case may be, shall refer back the case presented before them to the concerned village authorities for trial and settlement within the territorial jurisdiction of concerned village or within the jurisdiction of its inter-village territorial customary court or apex customary court, as the case may be. Meaning thereby, my lord, they have a supervisory power. They can refer back the matter presented before them. And my lord, 2021 Act, APCC,
No, supposing if any case filed before them, shall refer back the case presented before them.
presented before them, my lord.
But here in the present case, it was lodged before the Gambura only, not
Yes, but
connected
I
with the
have-
DC.
I have by way of,
Not connected with the DC, whether DC can, that means you mean to say that DC can call them and instruct them to decide this way, that way?
my lord. Because I
How
have
it
a
is
supervisory
possible?
power.
How it is possible?
My lord, in terms of this section, it clearly give a supervisory power to the DC over the village.
No, no.
It
Uh,
says presented before them, my lord.
Where from you are making out this?
2023 amendment of section 4 of
Section 4 doesn't say so.
My lord, may kindly subject to,
Shall refer back.
yes, my lord.
The
Refer back,
case presented before them. If the case is presented before them,
my lord.
since they doesn't have any more power now,
Now,
as earlier,
yes,
now they'll have to refer it back
yes,
to the Gambura only.
to take decision.
Yes,
Yes, my lord.
where is the
Which,
supervisory power?
which this is not doing. I
No,
have already
well,
submitted a
Your case is pending before the DC or whom?
head Gambura, since he is not taking decision after issuing third parwana, I made an
No, no.
application to deputy commissioner.
Where are you linking? Oh, there is no link at all.
No, my lord.
The complaint was filed before the GB only,
Yes.
HGB only.
Yes, my lord.
DC doesn't know anything about that. Whether DC knows, have you given a copy?
My lord, since the head Gambura, after issuing third parwana,
Hmm.
in terms of section 44 subclause 4, they should have to take ex parte decision. They are not conducting kava. Therefore, having no alternative, I went to the deputy commissioner informing that this is happening. Please direct them to conduct kava. This is not initiating
Why did you go to the deputy commissioner?
deputy commissioner on January.
On under what provision you have gone to deputy commissioner?
Just informing that nothing has been happening.
Oh, you are localizing again.
So, my lord, in terms of section 4 and section 10 of APCC Act, DC has supervisory power. He can direct them to conduct kava.
Where,
take
where,
decision,
Where?
Supervise the kava.
Where?
2021 amendment, Act, my lord.
Hmm.
Section, amendment of section 10, my lord.
Twenty-one
Yes, my lord.
of section 3, amendment of section 10. Yes. Hmm. Yes.
2021 Act. Amendment of section 10.
No, it's a Civil Code Act. Amendment of the section 10 of AFR.
Yes.
Where?
Hold on. My lord, I'm really sorry, 2022. 2022, they have made an amendment to the section 2021 Act.
Amendment of section?
Yes, serial number 2, amendment of section 10. In the Arunachal Pradesh Civil Courts Act 2021,
Hmm.
hereinafter called as Principal Act,
No,
in section 10, after provision 3 to subsection
just a
3,
minute, huh? Amendment of section?
10.
Just a minute, not this one. Section 10, yes. It's a amendment of Civil Code Act only,
Yes,
not AFR.
yes.
Yes.
Clause 4 has been added in section 10. Notwithstanding anything contained in the act or any other law for the time being in force, whenever a suit is instituted for the trial by the village authority, the concerned local administrative officers of the area shall continue to facilitate and refer back the case to the concerned village authorities for trial under the provision of AFR 1945.
It's a refer back
Yes, ma'am.
only.
What I mean to project is DC has
Because
supervisory
earlier,
power.
earlier, the complaint used to be filed before the deputy commissioner
Yes.
or assistant commissioner. Okay? So now they say that now they will facilitate
Yes.
and refer back the case to the concerned village authority only. Where is the supervisory power?
My lord,
What can, or what way the
my lord,
supervisory power?
suppose my lord have seen that village authority after issuing third parwana, they are not conducting kava and taking any ex parte decision. So I have made a complaint to the deputy.
There is an authority who can direct.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
It's a deputy.
This is not the authority. Where is where it says that this
But
is,
in terms of these two sections, what I meant is they have
the way you are
supervisory-
filing before this court, seeking direction, that probably may be the authority, but then how the DC is authority?
My lord, in terms of these two sections, to my limited understanding, DC has a supervisory power, authority over village authority.
Is it so? Miss, does it, whether this provision says so or what?
Not exactly, Lordship, it's not
What
very
not,
clear.
it's not at all, it appears. Where is the supervisory
My
power?
lord, plain reading of these two amendments
Uh-huh.
may refer back if
Refer back,
presented before them. One.
refer back is because earlier cases used to file before the deputy
Yeah.
commissioner or assistant commissioner or commissioner. And there was a direction that all cases be sent back or
Yes.
transferred.
Yes.
Okay. And earlier, the case, since the, on receipt of the complaint, the deputy commissioner or the commissioner used to refer it to the Gambura or the local authority or for Keba or for sitting mail. So this is the same thing
My
that
lord,
continue to facilitate and refer back. It understood that if receive complaint, they will have to refer it back to the GB
yes, my lord.
because they doesn't have a power to decide. Refer it
My lord,
back to the
my
case
lord,
to the
tomorrow
GB only.
suppose DC refer back the matter
No,
to
no,
the
no.
head gam.
No, no.
Again, head Gambara will not take any decision. Therefore, referring back, they should at least
Then there is a law,
decision may be taken.
Civil Code Act, and then a CPC. Then you are based on that only. You have appeared here.
Yes, my lord.
You have filed this. This, according to this court, is the proper authority for giving direction or the civil court,
Yes, my lord.
not the deputy commissioner. So don't try to explain the way. Huh?
My lord, it's my understanding, my
No,
lord.
don't understand in that way,
Limited
which is
under-
not in the meaning. Then it will be difficult.
My lord,
You will understand different way. And then the court will not understand the different way you understand. It will be difficult to convince the court also. Understand what is in the literal meaning, meaning
My
of
lord,
the act.
Otherwise also, Lordship, it's not a case that GBs are not doing anything. They have issued.
Anyway,
initiated, Lordship.
but anyway, but then this, in view of that also, and probably this, I think you have to withdraw these two names. Because they doesn't have, since you have come before this court, seeking direction, this court will be doing needful, but then you have to, I think,
my lord,
still you want Then in that
Respondent
case,
number
you
one
may,
is the head
in,
Gambura, my lord.
Hmm.
If I
Head
read
Gam-
to
Head
the-
Gambara, Head Gambara is a judge, would be a judge here, isn't it? Then you are impleading the judge.
My-
Supposing if this court keep your case pending today, if I don't do, then you'll go to Supreme Court and implead this High Court.
No, my lord. My-
Same thing,
actually,
same
they-
thing,
my
isn't
lord-
it?
My lord,
Same thing.
I'm on revision because under 227, my lord has the supervisory power over all the lower courts. So lower courts,
That is why you have come before this
My
court
lord.
under 27.
Yes.
That way I understand.
my lord.
That is what I am saying. No, you should not implead this Gambura, who is judge there. That amount to impleading the High Court judge if the High Court keep your case pending for some days,
My lord.
isn't it?
My lord.
The Gambura is judge here.
My lord, when by name may be struck out.
You
but-
want this judge, this Gambura to decide your case,
Yes, my lord.
and then you are impleading again,
But since,
whether he will fight his case or he will decide your case.
my lord.
How do you expect the Gambura to be fair enough?
My lord,
Don't-
my lord, I am just praying for a direction to them to conduct cover,
We will direct.
my lord.
What I am saying is withdraw this name.
My lord, I.
You need to
my lord, I
withdraw.
concede that, my lord.
Mr. Ahmed, Land Council for the. At the very outset, Mr. Ahmed, Land Council for the applicant submitted the respondent number 1, GB, head GB, and the respondent number 2, Deputy Commissioner, is not a necessary party in the present civil revision petition. Therefore, praise for striking off their names from the course title. The prayer is allowed. Stop. Let the respondent number 1, the name of the respondent number 1 and 2 be struck off from the course title. Okay. Now, this is CRP.
My lord.
Okay. Then, okay, in the beginning, you heard Mr. Land Council for the petition, also heard Ms. G. Ete, Planet additional senior government advocate. Okay. Then it outset that paragraph. Thereafter, you say that the present petition under section, what is the section?
227.
Under Article 227 of the Constitution of India. File under Article 227 of the Constitution of India. The petitioner challenged the
My lord, I'm not challenging anything. I'm just for a direction to conduct cover.
okay. By filing this then, by filing this present petition under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is alleging the inaction of the head GB. Which village?
Rigo village,
Inaction
Western District, Arlo.
of the Rigo village. Where is his address?
Address is, he himself is is in Rigo village, resident of Rigo village.
No, the village authority of Rigo village.
Yes.
What do we call that? Let us see one Parvana, at least by what name he has issued.
Parwana, my lord, is at page number
One Parvana,
52,
page
page
52.
number 52.
Piece of the head Gambura Rigo village. Okay. Inaction on the part of the head Gambura Rigo village and not taking any further proceeding for
Conduct of Kaba, my lord.
conducting KEBA despite of receipt of complaint. You have submitted 3 complaint,
My lord, four.
despite of receipt of
Four
several complaint,
and issuing
including the complaint dated 12/9/2025, comma, 13/11/2025, 6/3/2026. And the last one?
last one is.
No, 3/11, huh?
Yes.
No, 22/8, huh? 22/8/2025, 12/9/2025, 3/11/2025, and 6/3/2026.
6/3.
6/3/2026. Okay. Start, huh? It is submitted that although all the complaint, this 6/3 is a reminder only, it appears.
Not reminder, but.
Okay, all the complaint were received, and on receipt of the complaint, the head GB of Rigo village has issued Parwana.
Yeah.
However,
My lord, they have
still
issued
get
3 Parwana.
three Parwana at the gap of 1 month, 30 days,
My lord, almost 30 days, yes, my lord.
almost, not,
Some 20, some 30, like that, my lord.
it has to be at the gap of 30 days.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, then, issued Parwana, however, till date, the head GB is neither conducting any KEBA, and head GB is not conducting, till date, head GB is not initiated any KEBA proceedings against her into the case. Stop, para. Prima facie, the grievance regarding failure on the part of the head GB in terms of the provision under the Assam Frontier Regulation 1945. Is it?
Yes, my lord.
Mm. Requires examination. Requires consideration, huh? Stop. Accordingly, comma, para, huh? Accordingly, let a notice be issued. Returnable by 4 weeks. Stop, huh? The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent by a speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today. Stop, huh? Para. In the meantime, what
My lord, not to dispose of or alienate any property
In
left
the
behind
in
by
the
my late
meantime.
father.
having considered the submission and the contention made in the petition, comma, it is provided that in the meantime, the respondent number 3 and 4 shall, where is your prayer?
My interim prayer is page 13.
Where have you stated that not to shall not dispose or alienate any properties or create any third parties? You mean to say third party creation prevention?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Any third parties?
Before the cover decision. Or before the scope.
Into the properties left by the party's father, late deceased father. Okay. The respondent is your stepmother or brother?
Stepmother.
Okay. Okay. The party deceased father. Okay. This test matter after 4 weeks.
Item number 2,
Right, madam.
Don't scare the GB, let them function.
Yeah.
Okay? And tell them if they don't know, but then don't scare them. Okay,
May, Lordship.
yes.
Lordship, here the petitioner before this honorable court is the husband and the respondent is a wife. There was a matrimonial dispute between them, Lordship.
Hmm.
Here the Lordship, the petitioner is a resident of Siang district and the wife, the respondent is a resident of East Siang district.
This is item?
Item 2, Lordship.
Hmm.
What had happened, Lordship, since there was a matrimonial dispute between them,
Hmm.
a kabang was called by the ranking Bane Kabang. That is the village of respondent number or respondent. So Lordship, I had attended the Kabang decision. In that Kabang decision,
When
Lordship,
they married?
Lordship, now the petitioner is barge of retirement. He is working as a principal.
Retired or not yet?
Not yet, sir. Lordship,
Okay,
he's
so-
going to retire soon.
They have a children also?
They have children, all
They're
are,
separated or still staying together?
Lordship, they're staying together, but there's, since Lordship, I have met, there's a matrimonial dispute. So big Lordship, here the petitioner,
The petitioner is married to some other?
yes, Lordship.
Okay, so that means staying separately.
Separately, Lordship, and since Lordship, both of them are working working.
Okay, she's also working.
She's also working
She's working as?
as a UDC under
Okay,
veterinary.
but then still the property, entire property or some property?
Entire property in the Kabang decision law.
And also the 75%?
And 75. And Lordship, within a week, if doesn't pay the 90% of my salary as well as my pension gratitude.
Yeah, the HGB need to be educated.
No, Lordship.
Need to be educated. They probably doesn't have a power, at least.
Mhm.
Property, of course,
Yeah,
we agree.
yeah.
But then with regards to the salary, it
Yes,
is difficult.
Lordship.
Hmm.
That only,
They don't have a
Lordship.
power. So what will do? Will issue notice?
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
Till then, Lordship, the operation of,
Only with regard to the 75%?
yes, Lordship.
No, not the other property?
That's not other property.
Okay.
I'm also not disputing Lordship then, because Lordship, that property will be given to my son only after.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Ingo, Vijay Jama, land council for the petitioner. Who are the respondent, the sole respondent?
Sole respondent, Lordship.
Okay. The present petitioner, the present petition. Has been filed under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, challenging the decision. Which decision dated?
Dated 16/4 of 2020.
Where do we find? 16/4/2026.
That is, Lordship, I have annexure to page 17.
Okay.
It's come from 17,
Hmm.
18, 19, 20. 21 is the list of attendant who had attended the cover.
Decision dated 16/4/2020. Oh. Challenging the Kaba decision, dated 16/4/2026 by which Kaba you said?
It is Rangang Bane Kabang.
Decision. Order dated 16/4/2026 decided by the Ranking.
Bane Kabang.
Ranking, Bane Kebang. This is in a matrimonial.
Matrimonial.
In a matrimonial dispute between the petitioner and the respondent, whereby it is directed that whereby it, inter alia, it is directed the petitioner to directed the petitioner for payment of 75%.
Yes, Lordship. To within a week, in failure, I have to pay 90%.
75% of his salary.
Salary as well as pension, gratitude, retirement benefit, Lordship. Sir.
70% of salary, stroke payment, comma pension, and gratuity to the respondent. Where is within a week?
Lordship,
Page
Lordship, the type copy is in page 28, the operative portion, Lordship.
28.
28, Lordship. The type copy, Lordship, it's in 5 note. It's a, the Kabang father decided that Sri so and so shall
Okay.
pay the aforesaid
With a further direction that it shall be the said 75% share from the salary of the petitioner shall be shall be paid to the respondent wife within a week from the date of said order. Is it?
Yes, Lordship.
And in the event of failure to comply with the said direction, it is further provided that the petitioner shall be liable to pay 90% of such salary, stroke pension, retirement benefits, gratuity, and other receivable benefits to the respondent. This is the direction.
Yes, Lordship.
Stop, huh? Para. It is submitted that the village authority doesn't possess the authority to give such direction for deduction of the salary from the petitioner. Stop, huh? Para. Prima facie, the question whether the Gambara stroke village authority, what did you say? It's a the village Gambara, the village, okay, the village authority possessed jurisdiction to issue such direction relating to deduction of the salary, stroke payment, and pension, gratuity, etc. Requires consideration. Stop. Accordingly, comma, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Stop. Para. The petitioner shall take steps for notice upon the respondent by a speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today. Stop. Para. In the meantime, where is your interim prayer?
Interim prayer, in my interim prayer, page 12, Lordship, in pending disposal of the present petition, the petition for prayer that is honorable court may kindly state operation of impugned Kabang, dated so and so.
The operation of the impugned Kaba decision that is 16/4/2026 shall stay and remain stay to the extent of deduction of 75% of the salary payment, salary stroke payment and stroke payment and pension stroke gratuity stop, huh? However, the remaining part of the impugn impugn order shall not be affected by, okay, by this order, by this interim order.
Lordship, by,
So with regards to the other, because probably you may have to approach the proper forum.
Lordship, in my petition also, since Lordship, I have made an appeal before the appellate forum, but since Lordship, by way of, in a writ petition WPC, which I have mentioned, I have made an appeal before Adi Customary Court Pasigat, but that has been, stated by this honorable court saying this doesn't have a jurisdiction type.
No, so here in this case,
Lordship, since I am from.
in this case, what we feel is, I do not know, we do not know what had happened in the family case,
Yeah.
whether you as an employee during the leaving of the spouse can marry another or not, we do not know. Okay, that dispute will not enter into. So to the effect that the GB or the village authority doesn't have power at least to direct the government
Yes.
to deduct, that they doesn't have. So to that extent only, what we are passing an order. Rest, if you make out case, we'll pass necessary order.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, for the now, at least it's matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 3,
Three.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, this is a bail application. Praying for release of the accused Kogen Sekia, who was arrested on
Okay, was arrested in connection with what case? For what offense?
NDPS Act.
Okay, 20B.
Yes,
What is
Yeah.
20B?
20B, lordship,
Intermediate. Lordship.
intermediate, your lordship.
What intermediate?
Uh, uh, cannabis, the cannabis, which was seized, was 1.204, which is not.
20B and 2B. What is this 2B? What is the punishment for 20B and 2B, 27B?
10 years and extend to 1 lakh rupees.
What is 2B?
Yes.
20?
And 27
2B.
6 month and extend to 10,000 rupees or with both. Your lordship, at this stage, a notice may be kindly issued.
Yes, notice will be issued,
And CD may
but
be
you
called.
need to know the law.
Yes, your lordship.
Hard, mister,
M. Tony.
when you come to court, come prepare. What is
Yes.
the section? What is the offense against the accused for which you are praying? Okay.
Yes, Lord.
Hard, Mr. M.
Tony.
Tony, land counsel for the petitioner. Also hard, Mr. Loy, land PP for the state, stop para. This is an application filed under section 483. Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, praying for release of the accused who has been arrested in connection with Doimuk PS case number 49/2026 under section 20B, Roman 2, again capital B, stroke 27B, stroke 29 of Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. Stop. Para. Who else is the party? Okay. Mr. Issue notice. Stop. Since Mr. Loy, Lana PP appeared and pressed for some time. to produce case diary. No formal notice need issued. Stop. Accordingly, call for the case diary, scan copy of the case diary. It is still under investigation.
Yes, your
Yes,
lordship.
Established this matter when?
3 of June, your lordship.
Is that okay? As prayed for, this is matter on 3rd June. Okay.
Highly obliged.
Item number 4,
May I please, my lord?
Hmm.
My lord, in this case, owing to some disagreement between the petitioners, has led to the registration of the present FIR. Otherwise, my lord, the offense which has been incorporated in the FIR. In fact, they had a mutual relationship and they were living together. In fact, now they have started living together and now the victim is pregnant, 23 weeks pregnant, my lord. Now, the victim does not wish to pursue this matter further. Therefore, we have filed this jointly.
Okay. Just a minute.
The settlement agreement is at page number 29, my lord.
Yes. Any objection?
Since lordship, they are living together, lordship, peacefully, lordship.
What is the status of the case?
My lord, may kindly have page number 28, my lord. Stage of committal, my lord.
Committal.
Committal, my lord. And the matter is fixed day after tomorrow.
So that means charge sheeted already.
Charge.
Yes,
my lord. But the matter has not been committed yet, my lord.
It's before the CGM now.
My lord.
Let us see
Yes, lordship.
the record.
My
Okay.
my lord.
If there is no bar,
My lord.
we'll allow, but then since it's 376,
My lord.
let us see if there is no any inducement, etc.
My lord. Till then, my lord, the proceeding may kindly be kept in abeyance.
No, but you said that it is still under committal stage.
Yes, my lord. Since I have been called, my lord, to appear before the CGM on
Let
28
it commit before the session court. And then from the session court itself,
My lord.
it can be closed if there's nothing.
That can be done, my lord, but I'll have to appear on the next day. I mean, like, committal can be done, my lord, my lord. Further proceeding in respect of this case
No,
may be after
see,
committal, my lord.
committal, because the CGM doesn't have a power to try.
My lord,
It has to commit.
before the
So,
session.
before the session court.
My lord,
So let the CGM commit before the session court.
my lord,
And from the session court only, if there is nothing, then we'll set aside.
my lord. But I may be called before the sessions court at any point of time since we are living
So
together now.
when you think that, supposing if someone issued to you
My lord,
by the session court, you bring it on record, will pass necessary order.
some observation is being given by this honorable court. I'll appear on 28/5/2026, which is day after tomorrow. And after committal, my lord, any proceeding in respect of this case before the sessions court may kindly be kept in evidence, my lord.
Session court, let the, what I'm saying is session court, let the session court also take the case on record. Okay, let the session court issue summon, then summon you bring on record.
Okay, that,
So
can-
in advance, we will not be able to. You
otherwise,
bring on record a summon and then we'll stay.
otherwise,
Because
my lord,
in view of this agreement, it appears
My
that need to stay.
my lord.
But
Oth-
the,
Otherwise, my lord, this committal, even this proceeding can be stayed, my lord, and record may be called from the CGM itself, my lord, because everything is there in the, before the CGM. So that record can also be called for. Until then, my lord, this proceeding can maybe stayed.
no, let the.
Not necessarily, my
let
lord,
the
it has
CGM
to. go
Let
to
the
Sessions
CGM
Court.
examine, because subsequently probably when the settlement was done
It was done on, my lord,
recently,
recently, my lord.
or then in that case, probably not before the submission of charge sheet. Had the,
Level
had,
five.
had the settlement arrived between the parties before before the submission of charge sheet, could have given some statement so that it doesn't go to
Yes, ma'am.
this, till the
Only-
session court. Okay.
Therefore, my lord, only the record of CGM will suffice, my lord. It may not be required to go to the Sessions Court. Everything will contain there, my lord, in the charge sheet. So therefore, a record can be called from the CGM court itself, my lord. Until then, the proceeding before the CGM can be stayed, my lord, till the next date. And record will be with the CGM only, my lord. Not
This
necessarily.
is intermediate court only.
Yes, my lord. But the record is still with the CGM only, my lord. So it can be called from.
So
the
you said
CGM
that committal is going to be
on 28, my lord. So
28, tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow, my lord. So record can be called from the CGM court itself, my lord.
No.
Everything, the whole
No, no,
charge sheet,
after committal,
my lord.
and probably she would have no longer power, or he or she. He will not have, this is which court?
CGM SEPA, my lord.
HEPA.
Record can
No,
be called directly from the CGM.
Committal order will be passed only, I think, committal order.
But my
No.
lord, may make one observation. After committal, my lord, any further proceeding in respect of this GR case number may be kept in abeyance, my lord, after committal, my lord. I'll appear tomorrow.
No. No, what I'm saying is the moment session court issue,
My lord.
now even if the record is to be called for now, since
It's been-
the case is before the CGM only,
Yes, sir.
record need to be
Proceed.
called from the CGM only.
After committal, matter will be sent to the
It
lordship.
is also not
Committal
sure,
order is going to pass tomorrow,
Yes, lordship.
and it is also not sure whether,
Really?
there we cannot stop.
Yes, lordship.
and it is also not sure whether it will be committed to the Sessions Court or not. Prima facie after perusal of the whole record. And if it is found that the sections are tribal by the Sessions Court, then thereafter it will,
That is why I'm saying.
my lord.
So let the CGM decide which court it will go. Committal, because it's an intermediary court only.
Since my
So
lord,
hereafter it will go to say JMFC, CGM, wherever, okay,
my-
wherever it is.
humble submission is that since the matter has been amicably settled between the parties,
No,
now
see,
we only
see,
need
this
to
is a-
peruse the
this is a-
records, my lord.
This is a rape case,
My lord. So we need to,
so anything can happen.
my lord.
Hmm.
So only for the perusal
There
of
is
the,
instances, I know, at least we know, we all know,
my lord,
instances where in both the high up and the,
my lord.
and then where they are subsidized, or I mean, not subsidized, they have been compelled to execute. And that, in that case, there will be no any rape case.
My lord. Since my lord is, my lord would
So
be
this is a-
perusing the records.
Hmm.
On the basis of the record, my lord will have
Now,
observation.
we may also require to call the victim
My lord.
personally
That-
before the
that
court
can be
also.
done, my lord.
So that is why I'm saying, let us not be so hurry in these, in such cases,
Right.
because it's not your case only.
My lord.
Tomorrow, some other case may come,
Right.
which will be altogether different from you,
Right.
your case, and where the victim will be in such a position that she doesn't have a power, authority,
Right.
except the, believing in the court.
Right.
In that case, what do? We have to examine only,
My lord.
blindly only on the basis of the submission of the council also.
My
It's
lord
very
may also
difficult.
give a direction to have a personal appearance of both the.
That will do later on,
To that.
because here in this case, we may have to, because now it says that it's she's pregnant
Pregnant,
and
23 weeks.
they're staying together. We do not know, he is a married person,
Yes, my lord.
and that question is also there.
Yes, my lord.
And she was a student only,
My lord.
age difference are there,
Yes, ma'am.
lot of difference are there.
Since I'm making a genuine submission, stating that.
I believe you. It's not
That is the
that,
reason, my lord.
I have no reason to disbelieve you. I
My-
believe you, but then let us see. See, we are not only for you.
My lord, if, my lord,
Oh.
I'm insisting, my lord, let there be a direction from this honorable court for their presence on the next date, my lord.
For?
For their presence of the petitioners, my lord.
Hmm. Let us see.
Right.
Heard Mr. J.T. Key, Land Council for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Loy, T. Loy, Land PP for the state staff. By filing this application under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksa Sanhita, the petitioner. No. This is this is joint petition.
My lord.
Okay, this is an application file under application under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksa Sanhita 2023, jointly filed by the accused and the informant, stroke victim in SEPA Women PS case number 5, 2026, registered under section 68A, 68B, 69 stroke 74 stroke 75-2 and 329-3 of BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. A jointly file for praying for quashing of the the case number. Put the question in the middle. Okay. Mr. What we'll do is, okay, Mr. Loy prays for some time to obtain instruction. Okay, now it is submitted. It is submitted that the that upon completion of investigation, the case has already been charge sheeted and it is lying pending before the it is lying pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrate SEPA at the committal stage. So, in view of the above, Mr. Loy seeks some time to obtain instruction in this regard. The prayer is allowed. Stop. Okay. Well, next date, what we'll do is where it has gone. Committal order already passed or not? We'll pass the interim if any. Okay. As prayed for, Kama list this matter after a week. Okay.
My lord, with some observation that on the next day.
After a week, on which date the interim prayer shall be considered. Okay.
Grateful, my lord.
Yeah, please.
Item number 5.
Yes.
May I please?
Hmm.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of Tea Tangman.
Tea
Tangman.
time. Yes. What is this case? Whether this has been not yet admitted. It's a make appeal only.
Yes, my lord.
What is the grievance? The appeal is against what?
My lord, I have no idea about the brief, my lord. I have just instructed to.
You should have some idea.
Yes, my lord.
When you appear, you should have some idea.
My lord, service report against the respondent.
Why it has not yet been admitted?
Service is not completed, my lord. Last occasion, my lord, it was sent for mediation, my lord. However, parties are.
What is your challenge? Oh, it's very difficult. From the very beginning, the petitioner has been absent. That is why there is no effective order. Who is the petitioner? Who appeared for the, He Tang.
T Tang is a leading
Because he never appeared. This has done only to trouble the High Court. Filed only to trouble the High Court, to increase the pendency only. He is not appearing. See, you do not know. And on the basis of such submission, so many order has been passed, it appears. Pending since 22, no effective order. Yes, Your Honor. And how, only for the sake of listing, it has been listed. And then you get it listed. And you are also blindly appearing without knowing anything. At least some clue, some idea you should have. That way we learn.
The appellant has challenged the order passed by the Motor Accident Crime Tribunal, West
No,
Capital.
this is claiming it's, you are agree by the what? Quantum of compensation or what? Okay. Mm,
Quashing of the order.
Quashing, why it should be quashed? What is the ground? You are agree by what? Which order? Let us decide what is this actually, why it has been filed for. Ground also not given, ground given. Okay. Mr.
M. Dozy, Your Honor.
Lani counsel for the petitioner,
On behalf of T Tang.
on behalf, appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tang, Lani counsel for the appellant. So it appears that the matter has not yet been admitted. Staff, huh? No, just a minute. This is an appeal filed under section 173 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 against the judgment and award dated 4/6/2022 passed by Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, MSCT, West Coming Bomdila. In MSCT case number 10/2021. Stop, huh? It appears that the matter has not yet been admitted. Stop. Accordingly, the appeal is admitted. Stop, huh? Okay. Now you have to obtain instruction. You are praying for no stay. You are, although you are praying for stay, I can grant a stay provided you deposit 50%.
Yes, sir.
Will direct then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, how many respondents are there?
3 respondents.
3 respondents?
Yes.
Okay. Have they appeared? Never.
No, ma'am.
You have not taken steps. Mediation failed. Nobody appeared. If the party was not properly informed, they will not appear also. Okay. So it appears that the matter was referred to the earlier. The matter was referred to the mediation. However, this mediation failed. In view of the above, the petitioner, so the appellant shall take fresh steps upon the respondents by speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today. Stop, huh? Okay, list this matter after 4 weeks, huh?
Yes, sir.
Then in the miscellaneous application, okay? Add Mr. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Time, Land Council for the applicant. Stop. Para. This is an application file under Order 41, Rule 5 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, praying for stay of the operation of the impugned judgment and award dated 4/6/2022. We do not know whether he has paid or not, passed by the Lanet member Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, West Kameng District in MSCT, case number 10/2021. Stop on para. Since the connected appeal being MAC appeal number 22 AP 2022 has already been admitted, the operation of the impugned judgment and order dated 4/6/2022 passed in the MSCT case number 10/2021 by members Motor Accident Claim Tribunal West Bomdila, West Kameng shall remain stay subject to the condition that the appellant deposit 50% of the total awarded amount before the registry of this court within 4 weeks from today. 4 weeks
Yes.
from today. Stop, huh? With the above, this IS stands disposed of. Okay.
Item number 6.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Your Lordship, here in this case, Your Lordship, with regard to respondent number 2 and 3, Your Lordship, service is completed long back, Your Lordship.
Okay.
However, they are not appearing, Your Lordship, before this on record.
So what to do? What to do in that?
LHC may be appointed lordship in that case, lordship.
This is criminal revision.
Yes,
Yes,
lordship.
Your
Revision against?
The
Again,
order, lordship,
judgment
judgment order.
passed by the Landed Session Court, Bomdila, Your Lordship.
What the judgment says?
Your Lordship, trial was conducted before the Landed
Trial against the petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. And any order passed against him?
Yes, Your Lordship. Landed Session Court has upheld the judgment passed by the Landed CJM SEPA, Your Lordship. Landed Court,
Hmm.
Session Court, Bomdila has upheld the judgment passed by this CGM SEPA, your lordship.
Okay, what was the order of CGM SEPA?
Convicting the.
Convicting the petitioner for section 352, that is
What
for
is it?
assault,
Sexual assault.
assault,
Okay,
and 387 for extortion, your lordship.
okay, sentencing him for?
For extortion, 2 years, and for assault, 2 months, your lordship.
Okay, so.
And with
it
regard
will
to
run concurrently.
yes, your lordship.
Okay, so it's 2 year,
Yes, your lordship.
punishment is 2 year.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. Then,
And being
and
agreed by
you have taken steps upon the respondent,
yes, your lordship.
not appearing.
No, your lordship. With regard to
Heard,
respondent,
Mr.
he may enjoy, your lordship.
Lani counsel for the petitioner, also heard Ms. El Hage, Lani addition PP for the state, stop. Where is the name of the respondent? How many respondents are there?
Total, your lordship, 3.
3, okay, 2. One is complainant, one is victim or what?
One is
Yes,
state
your
lordship, 2
Huh?
and 3.
1 is state, your lordship. 2 is victim, 3 is complainant, your lordship.
Okay. So you have taken steps upon these 2 and 3 also, but then
Yes.
none of them are appearing.
None of them.
It is submitted
As
that
per-
although a step were taken upon the respondent number 2 and 3, however, none represented, although despite of receipt of the notice. So it appears that, it appears that the respondents are not in a position to engage private counsel. In view of the above, this court deem it proper to appoint one legal aid counsel to represent the respondents. Accordingly, normally, who is any legal aid counsel present? Currently voting for Mr. Ginny.
Yes.
Mr. Ginny, Leonard legal aid counsel from the penal is appointed as the legal aid counsel for the respondent number 2, to represent the respondent number 2 and 3, huh? Stop. And the petitioner shall furnish a copy of the revision petition to the Leonard appointed legal aid counsel within 3 days from today. Okay, stop. This is matter after 2 weeks,
3 weeks, your lordship.
3 weeks. Okay.
Hello.
Item number 10,
Yes.
Lordship, this is a joint petition for quashing the FI 01/2026 registered at Women Police Station, Teju, your lordship.
Okay.
So parties have settled the matter, your lordship.
Okay.
So
What is the
basic
offense?
offense is section 85, 79, 115.
What is 85?
85 is husband or relative of husband of a woman subjecting her to a cruelty, your lordship, and
Subjective?
to cruelty, your lordship.
Cruelty.
And 79 is word, gesture, or act intended to insult modesty of a woman, your lordship, and 115 is voluntary causing hurt, and
Just a minute.
314 is dishonest misappropriation of property, your lordship. So basically-
Section is, section
85,
85, sorry.
yes, your lordship.
Okay, I thought 65. 85 is an 498A. And what else?
And 79, your lordship.
79,
Yes, your lordship. And
Okay.
150,
509
yes, your lordship.
earlier. Word gesture, okay. And then
115, 115, and 314.
115,
Yes, your lordship.
323. And
314, your lordship.
314.
314 of BNS. Your lordship, parties have settled the matter, your lordship.
Dishonest misappropriation. Parties have settled the matter.
Yes, your lordship. Basically, this FIR is born out of misunderstanding between the two beloved couples, your lordship.
Naturally. They are in relation
not married, but they are in relation, your lordship.
Okay,
So this petitioner too is already pregnant, your lordship.
now what is the present status?
It is under investigation, your lordship.
When FIR was lodged?
0403/2026, your lordship.
March.
Yes, your lordship.
Now still under investigation.
Yes, on the last occasion, Lordship, it was called for, we didn't receive.
You have received?
No, not received, Lordship.
Oh, not yet received?
Yes, Lordship.
Oh. So let us see the CD then. Let him receive CD case diary. Let us see.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. But then also ask for the comment,
Yes, Lordship.
because it appears that you inform that it appears that the parties have mutually settled
Yes,
and then
sir.
give the present status, the requirement, etc. Not seriousness, no?
Yes, Lordship.
In order to analyze seriousness. If there's nothing, we can allow the petition.
Yes, Lordship.
What it says in the settlement? She is pregnant.
Yes, your lordship, that petitioner too, she conceived, your lordship, though they are not married, your lordship.
Okay, now the
She is
petitioner is the petitioner number, who is the informant?
Girl,
One or
your
two?
lordship, yes, informant.
Informant is one or two?
Two, your lordship.
Two, okay. One is married person?
No, both of them are single.
Both are not the married, okay. Now, probably they or will marry.
Yes, your lordship.
If they come in before the court and say that they will marry, we can allow now also. Mr. Loy?
Yes, sir.
That could be the solution. Otherwise, now she is pregnant. You can't leave.
Yes.
Difficult. We can't keep one person trouble and free the others
They are together now, your lordship.
together.
Yes, your lordship.
We are worried about the lady. Anyway, so just inform the IO of the case to give the present status
Yes, Lordship.
and also the status of the person.
Both the,
Go once if they are really staying together.
Yes.
And that report, status.
yes, Lordship.
Status means really the status of the person.
Yes.
Okay, the informant and the complaint.
Yes.
Okay, had Mr. P. Wangpan, line counsel for the petitioners, staff. Mr. Biloy, line PP, submitted, although the case diary has been called for. In the case diary has called for, it is still awaited, staff, Tara. Mr. Wangpan submitted at the moment, the informant petitioner number, informant is petitioner number 2, you're looking. 2 is pregnant. Then, although, just a minute, Wangpan submits that although the petitioners are not yet married, the informant petitioner number 2 is now pregnant and they are at the moment staying together. In view of the above, Mr. Loy shall also obtain present status of the petitioners. Okay, and place before the court on the next date.
Yes.
Okay. List this matter again on
The 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks. Okay.
Much appreciated.
Yep.
Item number 11,
Yes. None appears on behalf of the. No, just a minute. On behalf of the petitioner. However, Mr. Loy, Lanet MPP for the state is present. Staff the office note dated 26/5/2026 reflect that the service of notice upon the respondent number 2 is still awaited. Staff, in view of the above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. Okay.
Item number 15,
Hmm. Yes.
Service completed.
Service completed?
Yes, fixed for admission area.
No, you. Hmm?
On
Okay. Communicated to the. How many respondents are there?
one respondent.
Only one? No, two.
Respondent.
State and the one. This is what? This is criminal petition for what?
Email petition for causing.
Person petition. So no one appears on behalf of the respondent. Respondent is a victim or complainant?
It's complaint.
Who is respondent?
It's complainant lordship.
Hmm?
It's complainant lordship.
What is the allegation against her?
Allegation is lordship for me,
Can we appoint a legal aid counsel or on behalf of the informant? What is this case about? Chandrachan.
lordship cheating of lordship, lordship, withdraw of bank guarantee lordship.
Where is the FIR? There is legal notice also. Anyway, so let him appear. It appears this.
Yes, Lord.
Or,
Written FIR is at page number 68 lordship.
okay, now where is the record showing that the step is complete
Lordship,
or
order
they
dated
have received?
12/02/2026.
Well, date, order,
Order dated
okay. 12,
12/02/2026.
2.
Yes.
Do you have the updated case diary?
Lordship, we do not receive the case diary also lordship.
Not received.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, hard, Mr.
G Taylor.
Learning counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Loy, learning counsel. And PP submits that the updated case diary, or scanned copy of the case diary is not available at the moment. We have to wait for some time.
Lordship, extremely sorry for lordship interruption. Lordship, we have received the WT message that matter was FR lordship, submitted to FR lordship.
Final report.
Yes, lordship.
Can we dispose of on the basis of this final report?
Oh, lordship,
Can you obtain the final report?
no, lordship, we call for the case diary, lordship, but.
No, no. So the final report before which court? Before which court? Okay. Now, heard Mr. Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Loy, Lana PP, who submits that the case has been submitted into final report. In view of, before which court?
Is not given, lordship.
Which PS case?
P-
Hmm?
PH Narlagan, lordship.
Nahalagan?
Lordship.
Okay, in view of the above. Submission. Let the heard Mr. Learning Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. T. Loy, PP for the state. Para. This is an application filed under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Praying for quashing of the proceeding of Nahalagan PS case number 27/2025 under section 316 within bracket 5 stroke 351 within bracket 2 within bracket then stroke 3 within bracket 5 of BNS 2023. Stop. Para. The case of the petitioner is that based on the false allegation, no, where is the FIR page?
Page, written FIR.
68,
Starting from page 65, Lordship.
65 to 68.
Oh,
Long,
written FIR is page number 68, Lordship.
based on the written FIR filed by the respondent number 2. Alleging against the petitioner. And how many petitioners are there?
Two.
Two.
One.
Two. You do not know. Alleging the petitioners for dishonest misappropriation of property, criminal breach of trust, life threatening in phone calls and WhatsApp messages, using personal information to threaten, causing mental trauma, and criminal intimidation. The police has registered the aforesaid Nahalagan PS case number 27/2025 and 25. Stop. Case diary was called for. The concerned case diary was called for. However, today, Mr. Loy, Lana PP, some said, although the case diary as called for has not been received, however, he has received one message informing that the aforementioned Nahalagan PS case number 27/2025 has already been submitted into final report by FR number 206/25 dated 31/10/2025. Is mistake of fact. Stop. In view of the above submission, this criminal petition is disposed of with a direction to the learned trial court to dispose of the final report submitted by the IO of the case being number 2206/25 dated 31/10/2025. After giving an opportunity to the informant in accordance with law. Okay? In accordance with law, that is enough. Okay? With the above, this criminal petition stands disposed of. Okay? Develop.
Item number 16,
Yes.
Still, my lord, in this case, this matter pertains to caution of FIR, and the matter has already been listed by this honorable court. I think the informant is not present today, madam. On the last occasion, he was there.
There is a stay order.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Informant
Madam,
not yet appeared.
they have
No
appeared
wakalatnama.
on last occasion, they have appeared,
They appeared.
my lord. And the counsel was Taba Topu.
TCR was also called for lordship, but we did not receive.
It has been endorsed to the JMFC UPR, the case.
Madam.
Trial court record, call for, trial court record, but call for, have you received?
No lordship, it appears since we don't receive TCR lordship, it is by the, it is not reflected in the lordship cause list.
Okay,
TCR called by the registry only lordship, so we do not have lordship.
okay. Heard Mr. JTK, Land Council for the petitioner, start Mr. I also heard Mr. Eloy, Land PP for the state, stop, none appears on behalf of, how many respondents are there? Private respondent?
Only one man, victim.
Okay. None appears on behalf of the private respondent. The, Mr. Okay. Trial court record has been received, it appears. No. It
Not
has
reflected in
reflect
the.
in a record that it has been received. Okay, so, oh, not received,
Yes,
sorry, it is submitted that okay, the record reveals that just in the data regarding TCR has been, okay, the record reveals that the trial court record of the GR case number 75/2025 corresponding to Itanagar WPS case number 02/2025 has been endorsed to the Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class UPR. In view of the above, let the record be called for from the Judicial Magistrate First Class. Look, let the record of the aforesaid case be called for from the Learned Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class UPR. Okay. List is matter
After 3 weeks.
after 3 weeks.
Lordship, after receipt of the TCR lordship,
Okay, list
it will be, lordship, better.
list is matter after receipt of the trial court record on the date to be fixed by the registry.
Yes, lordship.
Okay.
In the meantime, my lord, the
So
interim.
para, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Good.
item number 17,
Yes.
Worship, this is fixed for order, your lordship. We have taken service.
Order. Here also, Mr. Loy, it appears record is still awaited.
We are not
Not party.
party at Lordship. Estate is not party, Lordship.
Okay. What is this? Crime revision? Still is not a party. Who appears for the respondent then? Mr. Wangpan, no?
Yes, sir.
Land counsel for the petitioner. None appears on behalf of, whether earlier appear on behalf of the respondent. Have you taken steps?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship. No one appears, Your Lordship.
Unserved notice. Out of station. You have to, I think, it has received, returned. So you have to take fresh steps, I think. You take fresh steps. Return to the sender as addressee is out of the station. You find out the present address.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Serve copy, take fresh steps, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then, Mr. Wangpan, Halan counsel for the petitioner, stop. In view of the office not dated 9/3/2026, the counsel for the petitioner pressed for allowing him to take fresh steps upon the private, the respondent prayer allowed. Fresh steps upon the respondent by speed post as well as by user process within a week from today. You can take back this and then find out then, huh? No need to keep this, okay? Then write this way. The office note dated 9/3/2026 reflect that unserved notice in respect of the sole respondent has been received back with postal comment returned to sender as addressee is out of the station. Stop. In view of the above, the counsel for the petitioner prays for allowing him to take fresh steps upon the respondent and also prays for returning the earlier petition submit earlier petition for the respondent submitted before the registry. So the registry shall return to enable the petitioner to take fresh steps upon the respondent after ascertaining the present and proper present address of the respondent. Stop. Step be taken within
1 week, Your Lordship.
1 week. You can find out the address. Where is the address? Okay. Within a week from today. Okay, stop. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay. That's all right.
Item number 18.
But I think the respondent, they're appearing for the first time today.
Okay,
And it is in orders, my lord, can be fixed for admission.
okay. Mr.
Lordship, may I submit, Lordship?
Yes, please, sir.
Lordship, this is a covered cases, passed in CRP number 43 of 23. Here, Lordship, the issue is the party, this is the respondent, that it's me whom I'm representing. He approached before the Inter-Blaze Territorial Customary Court instead of Blaze Authority. In fact, he approached the Blaze authorities, but he didn't taken up the cover. So accordingly, we approached the Inter-Blaze Territorial Customary Court. They have passed the cover decision. Now, in terms of Arunachal Pradesh Court Act, the Inter-Blaze Territorial Customary Court is affiliate authority. So then, though they don't have the jurisdiction to try the matter, they don't have original jurisdiction. So in this case,
It can be referred back to the,
yes, quash that order and the Blaze authority to.
that is your grievance.
That is exactly my grievance, but I'm not in hold of my file today, my lord. I was out of station yesterday, so I could not get the file today.
Okay.
So I was
So
praying
what
for
we can
some
do
time.
is on the next stage, let him be also ready if there is any.
None.
Okay, we'll dispose of.
His,
You
yes,
want this matter to be disposed of today itself.
yes, because
You are in hurry.
No, Lordship, because keep it pending does not serve any
Okay.
purpose for both
We'll
the
dispose
parties.
of in that way then in that case.
My lord, sometime, after some time, my lord.
Huh?
Maybe day after tomorrow or on Monday, my lord.
Okay.
Even I'll go through the file, my lord. I'll have to make some submission on that also.
Okay, you also obtain instruction in that case
My lord, I'll do.
because probably your earlier complaint was not. Who made the
It was
complaint?
me, Lord.
Okay, you.
Me.
Yeah, file.
Okay.
Order was passed in my, in fact, he is challenging, saying that no
Okay.
interblessed territorial customer has no original jurisdiction. It is his case.
Our claim was.
Then what we'll do
Our-
is I'll say I've heard, and then next day, unless otherwise, we'll deliver the order only.
My lord.
On that day, before order delivery of order, if you have anything, you submit. If need, we'll change without delivering
My lord.
or what?
But can be taken
Okay,
for Monday.
okay.
After tomorrow.
Why to force?
Yes, Lord.
Okay.
Can it be on day after tomorrow, Lordship?
Day after tomorrow.
Yes, in admission. Lordship, very simple. It's
Okay, no problem. I'll not be there, of course, in that. Hard, Mr. J.T. Key, Planning Council for the petitioner. Mr. K. Lawlin, Planning Council put appear on behalf of the sole respondent.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Sole respondent. No need to file anything.
No.
Okay, so since the parties are duly represented, this is matter. Next week,
29, Lordship.
29,
Day after tomorrow.
or day after tomorrow?
Yes, Lord.
But
Tomorrow
day
is holiday.
after tomorrow, I think so many matters are fixed. Election matters, I think we will have no time at all. Or what?
It will.
Okay, day after tomorrow, is it okay?
Totally fine.
Okay, let ask 3 election petition and then others also fix, all other will come. Anyway, but then this is only just, we'll keep order reserve only if there is difficulties, okay?
Yeah.
Time provided, we'll only say because we will have no time to dictate also, but then we'll keep reserve.
Otherwise, my lord, day after, maybe next week,
Lordship,
my lord.
It will take hardly
Yes.
5 minutes, Lordship.
No, I have understood, and then probably only he need to be clarified.
My
So you can just go through once, that is your claim only.
It is
My-
his
Because
case,
your
Lordship.
claim is that
I'm considering,
the
Lord.
territorial customary code doesn't, cannot entertain.
Yes, Lord.
And on,
And decide a dispute in the first instance, because this is a appellate authority,
Yeah.
and that is your prayer.
Yes,
It-
Lordship.
my lord, I'm agreeing to that, my lord.
Huh.
And because of that, my lord has passed an order,
Yeah.
staying that order, my lord. But my difficulty is that I may not be able to.
Okay,
be on-
you will not be there.
That is the reason.
Okay,
Otherwise,
then-
no issues.
okay, next week then, okay. As prayed for, come on, list this matter. Next week,
Next week,
okay,
Fix
for
that may be given, Lordship.
fixed date.
Monday.
because
keeping pending, it doesn't
I have
serve
no
any
issues, my
purpose
lord.
to
I
either
have
of
I
the
have no
parties,
issues
Lordship.
in disposing of the matter. The only issue is that there are some medical cases which I am going through with my family. That is.
Let
the
it
Yeah.
Let it be
I,
Monday, Lordship.
let,
If my friend is
no,
available
no
on
fixed
Monday.
date, my lord, next week.
Okay, next week, okay, list, as prayed for, come on, list this matter. For admission after a week, okay. No problem,
Next week, like next week.
next week, okay.
After week means it will take
Hmm.
another week, Lordship.
Next week, okay.
Weekly obligation.
Grateful, man.
Item number 19 and 20.
Yes,
I 112. It has been filed by the respondent for vacation of the order dated 27 March 2000.
filed by you,
Yes.
will issue notice?
I mean, like, there was the order dated 27 March 2026, Annexure 1.
Passed by, there is a stay, or there is an order, direction to deposit. Person to that, they also deposited,
Not at all.
deposited,
Not at all. Not.
no,
No.
we do not know. Let us issue notice.
What happened is I have ascertained from the registry.
Maybe, let them also file if there is any objection. If they are deliberately not filed, and then probably there is automatic, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us see, we'll pass order, let them file if there is any objection. Let us wait for some time, we'll pass necessary order, okay? Hard, in IA, huh? Hard, Mr. Riba, no?
Yes.
G Riba, Planning Council for the applicant. Also have Miss
M. Bori, Lordship.
M.
M. Bori.
Bori,
Yes.
learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent. Staff, huh? This is an application. So okay, by filing this application, comma, the applicant is seeking vacation of order dated 27/3/2026 passed by this court in IAC number 79/2026. In connected appeal, which appeal? Appeal, in connected appeal number 02/2026. Staff, issue notice. Since Miss Bori has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the sole respondent, no formal notice need be sent to the said respondent. Staff, list this matter
2 weeks.
along with the main RSA to after 2 weeks. Okay, there you go. You file objection if any, in the meantime, the respondent may file their objection if so advised. Okay.
Matter number 25,
Along with those, RSA and IA, all those mentioned, okay?
unlisted matter.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
This case.
Item,
Unlisted.
okay.
This matter is pertinent to section 118 joint petition. Yeah, on settlement Lordship. This matter was earlier on dated Annexure 5, 22-23 was withdrawn on liberty Lordship. The necessary amendment was supposed to be met. Regarding that, after I have placed my settlement date Lordship. That case. After obtaining my liberty from this honorable court, I have made the necessary implemented the parties in this case.
Earlier it was withdrawn,
Withdrawn on liberty.
granted liberty. You
Yes.
have annexed those orders.
Yes, I have annexed on page number, annexure 2, page number 23. Here's the case regarding juvenility also. If Lordship may remember that. Where the accused was juvenile, the case regarding 118, clause 2, grievous hurt. And as per the medical report, it's showing simple injury.
Just a minute, sir. Where is the court order?
Court order is in 23.
23.
Operating portion is at 24, Lordship.
Para 3.
Okay, understand. Okay, this withdrawn.
Yes, withdrawn, and
liberty.
after that, I made the necessary implemented.
So juvenility means,
Here, the accused was juvenile during
okay,
that the case. If your Lordship may remember that.
yes,
118.
yes, juvenile, and he was not
Uh,
represented.
Represented now.
Okay, now let us see, the
In the
case
second,
is under, what is the status of the
it's
case?
like, in the appearance before the principal magistrate JJB UPIA. In the
Principal magistrate,
yes, JJB UPIA.
JJB UPIA.
Yes, it's in
Okay.
page
So,
page number 52 Lordship.
just a minute, huh? The offense is under, what is
Offense,
this, 118?
one is grievous hurt.
Oh, 304 also?
Earlier it was
No, no, no.
304, but when the charges were made, it was 118 clause 2. Your Lordship may peruse the annexure for 53 Lordship, page number 53. This is the cognizance order before the CCWL principal magistrate Lordship.
Okay. What is 118 you said?
Grievous hurt, but imprisonment up to 3 years. But Lordship may peruse the.
You have also the medical report?
Yes, medical report.
Where?
Page
Have you-
number 43.
Page 43?
Yes. It's showing simple Lordship.
Said simple
Yes, simple.
injury,
It's injury.
sharp weapon.
Our weapon with the allegation is that the accused has inflicted injury with a wine bottle. That is the case. With a wine bottle. Bottle.
Wine bottle?
Yes.
Attack with wine bottle?
Wine bottle.
To the
to
victim.
the victim.
Just a minute, huh? Where is the FIR?
Also make, FIR is in page number 25 also.
No, don't show this. Where is the
Yes.
content of the FIR? Complaint?
27 is the type copy also. 28, 25, sorry. Here the
Page?
page 27 also.
Okay. Who is the informant?
Informant is the sister of this accused, sorry, victim person also.
Sister of the victim. And who is the accused?
Accused is this CCWL, minors,
Minor is also a girl
girl also.
for attempt to murder against minor.
Yes, this is the content of the FIR also. But
I mean,
after the ones,
the younger sister of victim, Miss Anita Dekha, Nemi Doka. Writing a file formal complaint against Miss Anya Tiger.
but lordship charge stated under section 118 clause 1 lordship. That is the case. No such attempt to murder was found in this case also. Only section 118.
Why it was attacked? He was attacked?
Here the incident is that may I read the FIR also.
Yeah. No, okay.
I miss so and so.
Is there any ground for attack?
No, lordship. There was some party was going on that that's a accused person CCW had attacked this girl. This is the case also. Attack and she snatched her gold chain. And what regarding the gold chain, she has returned to this victim person also. Even this in this case, medical report is also there, which has been annexed duly also.
Okay, now case has been charge sheeted.
Yeah, charge sheeted and the stage of appearance also. Cognizance
Okay.
is also
Where
taken.
is that order?
Cognizance is in page number 53, which is a type copy.
Just a minute, huh? Let me just, sometime
Yes, also.
you will submit and then, but then certain documents deficiency
Yes, also.
will find, this is FIR, okay?
Now also may come to the page number 53 also.
Okay, just a minute. Huh?
Yes, also.
The charge sheet where?
Charge sheeted 19, 12, 25, page
Yeah.
number 28 also.
Page 28.
28.
And charge sheet, register, FIR register is under section
118, clause 1 of BNS also.
118.
Clause 1 of BNS.
Hmm.
Voluntary causing hurt or grievous hurt by weapon. That is the case. Where
Okay.
imprisonment is for 3
Charge
years.
sheet file, charge sheet also file in the, under same.
Same 118, clause 1.
Where is the?
And cognizance is page
Let us see the-
53.
let us see the operative portion, huh? Charge sheet operative portion under 118.
Yes, also 118.
Yeah, its charge sheet is only under 118.
Yes, also 118. clause one.
Okay, then
Then cognizance order.
cognizance order,
It's in page number 53. Taken by the Juvenile Justice Board before UPIS. On 21 January 26 also.
huh?
20.
What is the name of the accused?
Accused name is Yania Flago,
Okay.
also known as Anya. Her father is Bero Flago, which is now
Okay.
duly represented by him as per the amendment.
Cognizance order where you said?
It's in page number 53 also.
53.
Yes, this is a type copy also.
Okay,
Case record put on today on filing offense.
okay,
Yes.
okay. This is before the principal magistrate.
Yes.
Okay, then
After that, then they have mutually settled. also.
settle, that order is settlement.
It's in page number
Copy is-
54, annexer
Okay,
6.
now let us see, Yanya is accused.
Yanya is accused and now she has been represented by their legal guardian, which is the father of this
He is
victim.
accused, represented by
The father.
father.
who is Bero Plago.
Represented by Bero Plago. Okay,
Yes, that is the case.
okay.
They
Now,
have duty signed.
Mimi Doka is a victim,
Yes, complainant, sister.
complainant.
Yes, sibling, they are sibling.
And where is the
Makoni is the victim in this case.
Makoni is victim. Okay. Complainant. Okay,
Yes.
so now I think it's, okay, now this petition is filed by,
Filed by the father of the accused person. And who is duly authorized this accused person also. In page
and
number,
name of, page 3,
page 22 also.
huh?
22, 222. Yes, this victim
Author of-
PCW has represented duly authorized to this father, Bero Plago.
He being the father can represent, but
Yes.
since he has not authorized it. So in the petition, Bero Flago,
Bero
okay,
Flago.
is a father,
Yes.
father, okay.
Petition number
Petitioner number 2 is victim,
informant.
okay, complainant,
Yes.
okay.
3 is the victims.
Okay. Now, you have any objection?
No, Lordship.
Okay. This is item,
Item 25.
okay, unlisted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'll take then, hard Mr.
Bita.
Bitaba, land counsel for the petitioner. Also had Mr. Roy, learned PP for the state. Respondent, staff, para. This is an application filed under section 528 of the BNSS. Praying for crossing and sitting. No. Okay, setting aside the proceeding to Nirjuli Police Station case number 46/2025 under section 118. Cognizance order is 118 only.
Cognizant 118 clause 53.
118 within bracket 1/304 within bracket 2 BNSS. Pending before the Principal Magistrate, Juvenile Justice Board, UPR, Papumbara District, Arunachal Pradesh. Stop para. No, this is it.
Notice was, TCR was called for Lordship, but we did not receive him,
But
but without TCR.
also, I have annexed all the document and regarding principal magistrate, it's only open Thursday and Friday. It's very inconvenient. Matter is in fact listed day after
Okay.
tomorrow.
Now, right, this is joint petition filed by the accused, informant and the victim under section, okay, join there. Okay, then next para would be the petitioner number 1. In accused, joint petition filed by the accused represented by father, okay, say that. Now next paragraph would be the petitioner number 1 is the father who represented the accused
Which is CCW person.
Hmm?
Is accused is CCW.
accused who is child in conflict with law, with law, child in conflict with law. Semicolon. The petitioner number 2 is the informant, and the petitioner number 3 is the victim in the aforesaid Nirjuli Police Station case number 46, 2025, under section 1181-3042 BNS. Why are you saying BNSS? It should be BNS. BNS, stop, para. The case of the petitioners is that on 13/5/2025, the petitioner number 2 load written FIR before the officer in charge, Nirjuli Police Station, alleging against the child in conflict with law for assault and attempt to murder and theft. Stop. Based on the aforesaid FIR, case was registered under section. The case was registered being Nirjuli PS case number 4625 under section 1181-3042 BNS and investigated into. Stop. Upon completion of the investigation, the police has submitted investigation report before the Principal Magistrate, Juvenile Justice Board, Capital Complex, UPIA, as the accused involved in the case was juvenile in conflict with law. No, child in conflict with law. Stop. The on sorry. And by an order dated 22/1/2026, the Principal Magistrate, JJB, UPIA, took cognizance of the case against the CCWL. No, CCWL, child in conflict with law, under section 118 within bracket 1 BNS. Stop. And now the case is pending for trial before the before the JJB
UPI.
JJB UPIA. Stop. It is submitted that during the pendency of the trial before the JJB, the case has amicably been resolved between the parties. As the parties. And executed a deed of mutual settlement dated 2026. Stop. In the said deed of mutual settlement, the informant and the victim categorically stated that I'll continue. We have a meeting also. I thought I should, huh? So I'll complete, dispose of, allowed. Okay?
Much
Rest
obliged.
will dictate.
Your Lordship, if my prayer, Lordship, the matter is on day after tomorrow, it may be allowed.
So that is why disposing of.
Order is dated in.
It will not harm you. Day after tomorrow, even you appear also, after appearance, even if you get the order also,
Obliged.
it won't affect you. You just inform that matter has been resolved and that the High Court, only the CTC is to be received, but it will be uploaded this evening. Okay?
Much obliged.